Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to fix problem if you have connect with internet but you can't surf in it on your Xiaomi Poco M4. To fix this problem, in the first step we must go back to the main menu where we navigate to the setting, and now we scroll down to additional settings. There we have first option, date and time. We choose it, and there we must switch on our option of set time automatically. We turn on it and go back to the Google Chrome. Now our internet is working. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon.